Welcome to our channel, Upholstery Technology. Welcome. And we have the car of the day, guys. Today is the 2000 Chevy Tahoe, and this kit, guys, is featuring ash inserts with the this is let me check here. Charcoal grab with ash insert, guys. And this is gonna go in the 2000 Chevy Tahoe. And I know, guys, it looks like crap, but wait until I finish this installation so you can see how beautiful this transformation is going to be. And don't forget, if you want to take it to the next level, to get your degree systems, which is 3 levels of heating, 3 levels of cooling, because you want to temperature control your seats so you can be cozy in your ride. And if that's too much for you guys, you can get your seat heaters at least, so you can be warm on winter. Okay, let's take a look at the toy, guys. And this is the beautiful 2000 Tahoe. It's been more than 25 years, well, by now, and it shows signs of wear. The part has to be replaced, all the leather is falling apart, and that's why it's here, guys, so we can beautify this interior for this Tahoe and bring it back to the original look with a beautiful leather interior. This is the back right here, guys, same thing. And this is our project. All that is gonna be replaced, making it new again. And guys, you want to do this transformation in your vehicle, go to LeatherTeck.com, buy Upholstery Technology, so you can have a custom design or a factory match interior, special editions, combinations, you name it, everything available at LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery Technology. Guys, like and subscribe so you can see more transformations and techniques and how we do the beautiful installations for your leather seats at LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery Technology.com, because guys, we are demystifying the installation process. We show you how easy these installations can be if you decide to do that. And guys, go to LeatherTeck.com so you can fill up our form, which is this one right here, so you can save hundreds of dollars. Exclusive prices only available for the people in that list. We don't want to publish those prices. They're only available for that price for legal reasons. We want to do this way so you guys can save hundreds of dollars. Guys, look forward for this video for the completion of the installation so you can see this beautiful transformation taking place. Beautiful leather interior. You want to do this in your vehicle for sure, guys. Look at the beautiful double stitch. All the details, guys, map pockets. You want it, guys. You want to do this transformation in your vehicle. You want leather seats, guys. Go to LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery Technology so you can order a factory match, a custom design. We have over 60 different colors and endless combinations. Guys, this will fit virtually, not this one will fit. We have everything available for virtually any vehicle that you can think of. We can help you here. Some of these cars are not part of our line. We can make them. Obviously, please inquire about that because the price may vary from our regular kits. And again, you can order special editions like patterns, diamonds, double diamonds, hex, honeycomb, and many, many others. We have also exotic materials like ostrich, alligator, and soy skin, you name it. We have them at LeatherTeck.com by upholsterytechnology.com. Guys, like and subscribe so you can see more transformations, techniques, and how to do the installations for your leather seats at LeatherTeck.com by upholsterytechnology.com, because we are demystifying the installation process, guys. It's not that difficult. Visit LeatherTeck.com, guys, because right there we have an special form. If you fill out that form, you're gonna be part of an exclusive list of clients that are gonna be offered special discounts and prices only available for the people in that list. So you wanna be in the club, guys, because the prices, sometimes the discounts are so big we cannot even publish them. So you wanna be part of that club, just visit LeatherTeck.com. It only takes a minute, fill out the form, so you can save hundreds of dollars in your next kit. And that was it for today, guys. This was the transformation on the 2000 Chevy Tahoe. And again, guys, this is available for virtually any car. It's made to order, and you're gonna get always fresh leather put on your kit, so you can enjoy years of longevity once you have it in your vehicle, guys. Have questions, please put it in the comments. Go to LeatherTeck.com or EM Upholstery Technology, ask the questions, make the inquiry, so you can start the buying process. And I see you guys in the next project with our black rat.